not be posted. Where are we going, Gray?
The hospital.
We're going to the hospital because I've been having contractions like all morning. They're about 5 minutes apart now. Sometimes they're like way more painful and sometimes they're just like kind of chill. But I don't know. My family has a history of fast labor, so we're just going in to get checked. Even though like this is already like slower than any of their labors have been.
Your family has a history of early labor too.
Yeah.
Today is one day after their due date.
Today is one day after the due date. 12/22/22. So yesterday I had an appointment, my OB, and I was 3 centimeters dilated and 80% effaced, and I had a membrane sweep. At the 30, I'm having a contraction right now. At the, oh gosh, at the 39-week appointment, I was 2 centimeters dilated and 70% effaced. So in that week, I like dilated another centimeter, but nothing was like happening. I wasn't in labor, obviously. So we did the membrane sweep to see if that would like kickstart things. And then last night, I had a little bit of the bloody show, and I had more of that this morning. And just, I've been cramping, I guess, since the membrane sweep. And I cramped basically and I had contractions and I was cramping basically all night. But I could easily sleep through them. I could probably still sleep through these, honestly. But yeah, we just started timing in the morning. So we're just going to see what happens when we go in.
Yeah. When did you say your labor started?
I don't, that's the thing.
You're going to try to get a number of like, oh, I labored for this many hours. But you could say you've been laboring since the middle of the night.
Yeah, I could say.
Or you can say you've been laboring for an hour.
For like now, yeah. Or like when I get in there, like, I don't know. Yeah. So that's what's happening. Bye.
Lots of things have happened. We got here and she was sort of in labor and having contractions but not progressing. We got in the bathtub for a little bit. And she got out and we were going to go home, and then her water broke, and then labor got a lot worse. Then we came in here, took another bath, got an epidural. Chilling out in warm blankets.
I wasn't going to, but I did. I just can't stop shaking and I can't relax enough.
Feeling a lot better. Moods are better. Everybody's doing good.
This is not the fast labor I was promised.
No, nothing is happening as promised. It's all my fault. I made things different. Anyway, might check in with you later.
It's a lot has happened since we last updated.
Well, last update, you had the epidural and you were feeling good.
Yeah, well, I don't think I can hear you if you're...
So, at the last update, you'd had the epidural and you were feeling pretty good.
Yeah.
And then they did a cervical check.
I did a cervical check and I was at 10 centimeters already, so who knows how long I was at 10 centimeters. Basically, I was at 3 when I came in, and then I was at 10, and like they didn't do any other checks in between that. So, yeah. So like I don't know like if I was at a 10 before they did the epidural or not, but I've kind of felt like I was, though I was thinking I was only at like a 5 because everything else was going so slow. So I was like discouraged that like I was in that much pain and only at a 5, but I was probably at like a 9 or 10. And then she just kind of stayed there. Like she didn't come out. She was at a +1 station for like 2 or 3 hours before she finally came out at 10:22 p.m. 10:12. 22:12. That's why I keep getting confused, because it's military time 22:12. On 12/22. 22. So lots of 2s. Look how much hair she has, like tons. She's been a great baby so far. She's been eating and pooping and sleeping. Though last night she kind of didn't really let us sleep because she was eating all night long. Now she's kind of slowed down and only eats every few hours, but yeah, but like last night she was eating like every 30 minutes. And you have anything else to say?
I'm pretty tired, but you probably look tired. So I don't have a lot more.
He said that he's tired, but I'm more tired. I probably should be more tired. I don't know if I am. Probably gonna be it for this video, because I don't have anything else to say. Oh, there's a blizzard warning here since last night, so she was born in like a blizzard. There's no new snow, but there's tons of snow on the ground, and it's just blowing across, and you can't see anything, and the winds are like 55 miles per hour or something. Like 35 to 55, and then like up to 65 miles per hour. Thanks for watching. Bye.